Hi everybody, this is Bill from Travel Tips by Bill. Wanted to bring to you today a list of 5 items to not take to Egypt. Some of these may seem very obvious, while others may seem a little bit unusual, but again, we got to be respectful of not only the laws in Egypt, but also the culture there. First is drugs and alcohol. I know that cannabis style stuff is legal in a lot of the states here in the U.S. as is alcohol. You don't want to bring this to Egypt, not even in your luggage. Something like that could easily land you in an Egyptian prison. Also, pornography is outlawed in Egypt as well. Do not bring any pornography with you. So that's number 2. Number 3, I would suggest leaving your DSLR camera at home. There's a lot of places that you're going to go to in Egypt where you'll have to pay an additional fee to use your DSLR to take pictures. Number 4, your drone. Drones are illegal in Egypt unless you have clearance from the Egyptian government. Leave those at home. Don't even bother packing them. They will get them at the border when you land. And in some cases, to get them back, if you're lucky to get it back, you'll have to pay several $100s. So again, just leave it at home. I think with today's technology, you can do a lot of the shoots and pictures that you want to do, whether it's video or still pictures, using the modern day cell phone cameras that we have. Number 5 may surprise several of you, but smaller outfits for the ladies, spaghetti straps, any items that show a lot of skin, you need to leave at home. In Egypt, with the Muslim countries, you need to have your arms covered, your legs covered. I wouldn't even wear a bikini on the Nile River cruises. I know some people out there suggest and tell you that that's okay. I've been there. I've seen the oogling that happens from the Egyptian men working on the cruise ships. Unless you're comfortable with getting a lot of attention, I wouldn't even pack my bikini for the trip unless I was going to Hurghada or someplace on the Red Sea where they do see a lot of Western tourists. Other than that, you're going to get a lot of unwanted attention. And honestly, not only are you going to get the attention, but you're also going to offend a lot of the people that in the Muslim community. We don't want to do that. We want to be respectful of their religious beliefs as well. Finally, the number 6 one that may surprise a lot of you is you need to leave your PDA at home. And what I mean by that is your personal displays of affection. They're not welcome out in the open. It causes a lot of issues for the Egyptians and Muslims overall. So as much as you may want to touch your significant other or show them affection, you need to do that behind closed doors, and that includes even the smallest holding hands. Again, hope these tips help you on your trips to Egypt. And if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. There will be future videos about Egypt coming up soon.